huge welcome to everyone. It's lovely to see so many here for our annual conference.
Don't underestimate the value you are adding to our society. So enjoy your day, and I thank you very much for allowing me to say a few words.
Every day when I look at the news, it just reinforces the incredibly important work that we all do, that you all do.
Very interactive. Lots of discussion, lots of debate, lots of ideas. Yeah, it's very good.
The workshop that I've just been to, really interesting. And particularly to hear, because there's so much experience in the room.
We are so much stronger together. And I think that the last year has really demonstrated how we can work in that way to really evidence that kind of strength.
I'm basically at the conference to meet staff from all the local citizens' advice and be able to explore with them how we can work better together.
This is the first time I made it to a conference. I've been working with Citizens Advice, started as a volunteer 10 years ago. Looking forward to some of the workshops with colleagues and picking up ideas, sharing good practice.
Meeting and greeting, lots of motivation, new ideas, and I love coming to conference because it freshens me up for another year.
It's brilliant because we're getting ideas to take back and we can then use them in our bureau, and I think that's what conference is about. It's about inspiring you to go back and make changes.
I'm very proud to work for Citizens Advice, very proud of all of the different issues that they speak out on.
It's endlessly rewarding and fascinating. I think we're always learning, things are always changing, and I think it's a fabulous place to work.
I do find it very rewarding, and I've got to say I work with a great bunch of people.
I think we all sort of work in isolation, so it's really nice to have a chance to talk to other people, see what everyone else is doing, and I think that's the key thing probably to take away from the conference.
It's been really interesting. I was in a social media session, learning about how to best use social media for campaigns and research.
It was really nice to share ideas and see how things are working on the ground, which is an opportunity you can't get enough of, really.
It's been absolutely excellent. It's the first national conference I've been to, and it just gives you a real sense of being part of the larger organisation and what the issues are.
I also went to the AGM and thoroughly enjoyed that. There was a good bit of banter going on.
That's unanimously carried, and it should be with applause, I think, really. It's easy to forget how vital and life-changing this service is.
I think of the work that this agency does as genuinely life-saving. It's why I come each year, to remind you of how good you are.
I love the networking, getting to meet other people, talk to them about what they're doing, so I find that really helpful.
It's been really nice to meet people doing the similar sort of thing. Networking opportunities are brilliant.
I've had a really good time today. I've attended 2 workshops. Both of them were very interactive and it was really enjoyable.
Thank you so much to everybody who's contributed, taken part in workshops and been part of this kind of ongoing conversation about our own priorities and what we're doing as an organisation.
We move forward together, and the commitment we make and remake every year is that we make a difference.
I think it's been interactive, I think it's been a great communication, and it's been really enjoyable.
Massive learning experience.
Good debates and passion.
Informative, passionate, enthusiastic.
Interactive, engaging and fun.
Some of my experience at conference, interesting, challenging and exciting.
empowering, inspiring, and fantastic.